Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and wow, sit back, relax. I have the most amazing products to share with you today at a special flash sale Black Friday. What? I know, right? So if you're watching this video after the event, you can still buy them at regular price, but if you're watching this a brand new video right now for Black Friday week, you are in for a lot of awesome discounts on these products. Are we ready? Get set. First of all, I hope you already picked up the 3 envelope liner dies that are brand new to our website. And I hope you already have the scalloped envelope liner and or the straight envelope liner with all those insert dies, right? Because I am happy to announce we now officially have an A2 size envelope. I know, right? Yay! Now you get to make your own envelopes from start to finish. So not only are you going to decorate the inside, now you can decorate the outside by cutting your own envelopes. Now, personally, I recommend just using a standard copy paper envelope because that's mostly what regular envelopes are, right? They're sturdy enough, they're great. My design team used a lot of cardstock. I'm too cheap to use cardstock. I use copy paper for my envelopes, but that's up to you, okay? Let me share the samples with you. They are gonna knock your socks off. Now, here's one, look at this. So we're all about decorating our envelopes. Every envelope I'm sharing with you right now was made using this die. The die is the same as the envelope that we use for our kit club. So here's another cute one. Oh, with our postage stamps. How fun is that? There we go. Ooh, here's one. Now you can actually drop in a background die to decorate your envelope. Look how gorgeous that is. And look at that on the back. Merry Christmas. You can use specialty papers now. Look how pretty this is. This is like a gold vellum feeling one. Oh, here's a cute one. Merry Christmas. Again, another background die on the front. Look how gorgeous that is. I love that. Oh, and there's even something on the inside. Ooh, look at that. Oh, she's telling me how she made it. I love it. I love it. Ooh, here's a pretty one. Whoops, I'm turning it the wrong way. Look how gorgeous that is. Again, made using our die. This is kind of a heavier paper, but not cardstock. I love it. Here's a Merry Christmas. Oh, here's another option. Oh, glitter paper. Wow, you can even go crazy and use glitter paper if you want. That is fancy wancy. Extra fancy wancy. And then here's one cut out of cardstock. So cute. But now you can make your own envelopes to match your cards. Isn't that awesome? I know, it's awesome. Special price on that for Black Friday. The next item is just one you need, especially for the price. You got to do it. Happy New Year. Look at how fun. So here it is, die cut. I literally just die cut this one. I got to give it a little flick to get it all out of there. But here we have Happy New Year with our shadow die. Look at this sample that Michelle made. Isn't that gorgeous? We have to celebrate the new year. We all need to see a new year, right? We all need 2020 to go away. We want 2021. We're going to celebrate big time this time. So here we have that cute one. Here it is in glitter. Look how gorgeous. And foil paper, by the way. Ooh, here's another glitter one with our Starburst background that I love, love, love. And here's a cute one with a little sloth and some coffee. Happy New Year. Again, special prices. Now, the next two, I don't know which ones to share with you first. Because in all honesty, they both are amazing. I can't decide. Okay, I'll do this one. I can't decide. It is a dun, 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 Scalloped Slimline Card Die Set. I know, I can hear your applause. It is amazing. It is awesome. Look at what I fit in this guy. Okay, so we have our scalloped card base. We have a scalloped eyelet type background. And don't worry, oh, here's a sample of that one. So here you can see the blue, how it has the white behind it. Isn't that gorgeous? Then we have it without the eyelet, so just the scallops. Then we have this gorgeous background die that does those dots. Look at those gorgeous dots. Then we have the words congratulations and blessings. Look at how fantastic that is. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Now, just to give you an idea, here's an example of the edge on that one, the eyelet edge. Here is the eyelet edge without the background die. So you don't need the dots if you don't want to, with blessings also. Here is the edge with no eyelet. It's just the scalloped edge. Lots and lots of options on these. Of course, the other panels will fit from your other slimlines from the Stamps of Life. So you are going to mix and match and have some fun. Here, oh, this one goes this way. Isn't that gorgeous? Merry Christmas. Isn't that cute? Merry Christmas. Then, oh, here's a cute little one for congratulations. I love that. I love the cute little dots and the little guys there. Ooh, here's another pretty one. Blessings. Here's another, oh, an Easter blessings. I love it. And here's one, ooh, Christmas blessings. Isn't that gorgeous? I know, we've needed a scalloped slimline for a long, long time. You've asked me, you've asked me, you've asked me, and I'm finally happy to announce it's finally here. And I literally jam-packed it. Look at this, you guys. I jam-packed it. So you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dies in this kit. 8. The main one, the exciting one being the Scalloped Slimline. I know, it's awesome, it's awesome, it's awesome. Now, I don't know how, oh my goodness gracious. This one, I have wanted to show you for so long. It's funny because I designed these so far in advance and it's like, I want to show them, I want to show them, I want to show them, finally I get to. This is the Gnome Fold-it Die Set Plus, okay? The Gnome Fold-it Die Set Plus. Why does it have that plus on there? Because I could not stop with just the regular A2 size. It's still A2 size, but I added extra dies in here, meaning, so this is not the standard fold-it price because this one's a lot extra. This is the plus because look at all of these dies you're getting. You're getting little hands, you're getting a cute little sunflower, a big sunflower, an egg, a present, a pumpkin, and a heart because your gnome is gonna hold these items. Oh, I know, it's like year-round fun, right? So, for example, here we go. Here he is holding the little present with his little hands. Here he is, oh, with an Easter basket, Easter greetings, holding a little sign you can make. I love that. Oh, here's one on a slimline, by the way, holding a little die that says hello. Okay, is this the most awesome ever, you guys, right? Here he is on a Christmas tree fold-it with a little present. Here he is for Valentine's Day holding that cute little heart. Oh, or he could hold that cute little sunflower that comes with him. Oh, gnome, it says. Here's a cute little guy with the mushroom. See how he coordinates so awesome with that mushroom fold-it? I love that. I love that. Here, oh, goodness gracious. Look, here he is. Now here, his little arms are going out if you want him to go out. They can go under if you want him to go under. They can go sideways. They can go any way you want. This, let me see if I can find an example of how I thought. I kind of thought mine would go this way because he's kind of holding it this way. You get to pick. Here's another one. Oh my goodness, with the sunglasses, with the glasses on. Here's one with no hands needed. Isn't he cute? And here's another cute one. Oh my goodness, you guys, run, run, run and go get this one. I ordered extra, 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 but you know what? At this special Black Friday week special, it's gonna go extra, extra quick. I'm just warning you right now. Go get all of these items. They're on a limited edition. Well, they're limited flash sale prices for Black Friday week. Once Black Friday week is over, if we have any left, they'll go to regular price, but chances are we're gonna sell out of all of these this week. So get them and get them quick. Club members, you get the flash sale Black Friday price, which is 40% off because it's Black Friday. Black Friday is extra special. Plus your club discount, 15% or 20% off. So you could be getting a 40% discount and then an additional 20% discount. It's almost like we're giving it to you for free. Isn't that awesome? I know. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. Please share this video with your friends and family because you know what? Maybe they want to start crafting too. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.